Sign in with your email and password, then explore multiple ways to shop, including category, material, trend, and more. You can change the page layout from a list view to 3 product images across or 4 product images across. New, robust search capabilities allow you to shop by color, material, style, and more. When a product catches your eye, click the heart icon to save it to your wish list. Preview your shopping cart at any time simply by hovering over the icon. From your wish list, you can select items to add to your shopping cart and even create a PDF tear sheet. You can name your page, select the layout, show pricing, and sort alphanumerically by SKU or by order added in the PDF options window. To complete checkout, add notes if applicable, and enter shipping dates and instructions. If you've previously entered and saved your payment information, you can select Speed Checkout. To add or change payment information, select Checkout and complete the form. You can save or print your receipt, which includes a visual index of items purchased.